Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you need to quickly transfer money from one place to another? Maybe you're traveling abroad and need to access your funds, or perhaps you're simply looking for a more convenient way to send money to friends and family. Today, we're going to explore one popular option, Paysend. If you're new to Paysend, you might be wondering how it works and how you can transfer money to your bank account. In this video, I'll guide you through the entire process, step by step. We'll cover everything from creating an account to receiving your funds. Solution and benefits. Paysend is a convenient and affordable way to send money internationally. It offers competitive exchange rates and low fees, making it a great choice for both personal and business transactions. Plus, the platform is easy to use and accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Step-by-step guide. Creating a Paysend account. Registration. Show how to create a Paysend account using your email address or phone number. Verification. Explain the verification process, which might involve providing identification documents. Adding funds. Bank transfer. Demonstrate how to add funds to your Paysend account using a bank transfer. Card payment. Show how to use a debit or credit card to fund your account. Sending money. Recipient information. Explain how to enter the recipient's details, including their name, bank account number, and country. Payment options. Discuss the available payment options, such as bank transfer or card payment. Tracking the transfer. Real-time updates. Show how to track the status of your transfer in real time using the Paysend app or website. Estimated delivery time. Explain the factors that affect delivery time and provide an estimate. Receiving funds. Bank account deposit. Demonstrate how the recipient can check their bank account for the transferred funds. Notification. Show how the recipient will be notified when the funds are available. Fees and exchange rates. Transparency. Emphasize Paysend's transparency regarding fees and exchange rates. Calculator. Show how to use the Paysend calculator to estimate fees and the amount the recipient will receive. Additional tips. Security. Discuss Paysend security measures to ensure that your funds are safe. Customer support. Highlight the availability of customer support if you encounter any issues. Mobile app. Mention the benefits of using the Paysend mobile app for convenience. With Paysend, transferring money to your bank account is quick, easy, and affordable. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can send money to anyone, anywhere in the world. So, whether you're traveling, supporting loved ones, or conducting business, Paysend is a reliable option to consider. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy sending!